So guys, as you can see here, my dumpling are come on pretty nice. Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Sarah's House of Flavor. I hope you all are just having a wonderful day, or if it's not, you're watching me, I hope you all are having a great night. I'm in the kitchen this morning, and your girl gonna prepare some breakfast. On the menu this morning, guys, we're going to have some nice Jamaican-style steamed callaloo with saltfish, or if it's codfish, you call it anything, along with some nice soft fried dumpling and some boiled banana. I'm sure you would love to see how I am going to prepare this meal, so you have to stick around and watch this video to the end. So when you are going to prepare it, you will know exactly what to do. Alright, so guys, let's go over and start the ball a roll. Let's go. So guys, here I have my callaloo, and what I'm going to do now, I am going to cut them up. But for these callaloo, guys, these are all natural grown callaloo, mean there was no form of fertilizer, any form of chemical used on this callaloo. They were all grown in mommy backyard. Yeah man, so these are all organic. So your girl gonna cut them up now and start breakfast in a little while. I am going to start making my fried dumpling. So this is how I make my fried dumpling, guys. I am going to add about a teaspoon of baking powder, right? Of baking powder. I'm gonna add a small, maybe quarter teaspoon of sugar. I do put a little sugar to give that nice taste, right? Also gonna put a little salt for taste, just a small amount of salt for taste, guys. All right, like that. And then I will combine everything, all the dry ingredients. I'm going to use my hand in a little while. All right. Also, I am going to use a small amount of milk and water just to get all the ingredients together to form a dough. You don't have to use the milk. For me, it may give my dumpling that nice soft texture. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead now and start the folding of my dough. All right, guys, so as you can see here, I made my dough, and I am going to start to make my dumpling for frying. So as you can see, look at that, you can see how soft it is right now. In the pot them all go right now. Yeah man, so let's start frying our dumpling. Alright guys, so now I am going to start making my dumpling. Right, my pot is hot. Right, so I'm adding the dumpling to my pot, and you ensure that your flame is not on high, guys, because you want the dumpling to properly soak. All right, so I'm here just making out my dumpling, just pressing it out, put it in the pot like this. All right, ensure they're not too big. Depends on how you want to make your dumpling. Remember, the baking powder is in it. So guys, as you can see here, my dumpling are come on pretty nice. Yeah man, they're not ready for turning as yet, so I'm just allowing them to just take them a little time and cook so they can soak properly. Alright, so far things looking good. And some of these need to turn right? Alright, just flip it over like that. That not ready for turn as yet, so yeah man, we just allow them to just cook nicely. Alright, and my flame is on low, guys, on low. Alright guys, so you can see these are ready, so I'm just gonna take them out here. You can see how they're soaked, right? So I'm gonna take them out of here. So now you see my callaloo cut up. I go ahead and I add some carrot, some julienne strip carrot to mine. You don't have to add this, guys. This is how I love to prepare my callaloo. Alright, so in a little while, guys, I'm gonna start steam my callaloo. So as I say, you have to watch this video to the end, guys, to see exactly what your girl is doing. Over here, I have some scallion, onion, and a little piece of thyme to add to the callaloo as my seasoning. Yeah man. Okay guys, so that's my saltfish to add to my steam callaloo. So I just just make the water just boil over it a little to get some of the excess salt out. And so now I'm gonna start add my seasoning them. Right. Yeah man, I'm using the same pot that I did the fried dumpling in. Alright, so as you can see, I'm allowing my season just to saute a little while. Okay, so now I am going to add the callaloo. Add everything here. And I'm going to leave this, cover it just to shrink a little. Alright, and then I come back and show you how it looks. Alright guys, so here I'm just stirring my callaloo. Give it a nice stir. And I'm going to leave this to cook 5 minutes thereabout, because you know this is so easy to cook. Yeah man, so guys, as you can see here, my callaloo is cooking. Yeah man, everything look good. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this in the next 2 to 3 minutes. This is ready, guys, ready to serve. Yes guys, so that's our breakfast for this morning. Some steamed callaloo with some nice soft fried dumpling. Yeah man. So guys, I'm sure you would love to see more of my cooking. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, click on Sarah's House of Flavor. Click on that bell so when I upload all my new videos, you will be notified. And as usual guys, stay safe, walk good, and God bless you all. Alright, so there you go. There you go, my lovely people. There you go.